This tutorial guides you through creating and configuring containers within the Loadvis workspace. You will learn how to manage container types and input essential container details for effective tracking. Click Container Management to open the Container Management section within the Workspace application. Click Create to start the process of adding a new container in the workspace. Click EG40HQ to choose the container type as a 40-foot high cube container. Fill 20 OT to specify the container code or identifier for the new container. Fill 21500 to enter the container's weight in the designated field. Fill 589 to specify the container's length measurement. Fill 232 to specify the container's width measurement. Fill 233 to specify the container's height measurement. Fill 233 again to confirm the container's height measurement for accuracy.